Derivation of the laws of what? Logarithm, part 1, which has to do with the derivation of the first law of what? Logarithm. In this case, we shall be looking at the derivation of the first what? Law of what? Logarithm. Theoretically speaking, the first law of logarithm states that the logarithm of a product is equals to the sum of the logarithm of what? Its factor. Mathematically, what that implies is that the log of what? AB, let's say 2 base m, is equals to what? The log of what? A to base m plus what? The log of what? B to base m. So this is what we call the first what? Law of logarithm. This is called the first what? Law of logarithm. Like I said before, our task in this particular part is to see to the derivation of what? This first what? Law of logarithm. That is to say, how it what? Originated. To do that, we'll say, let what? A log of what? A to base m be represented with what? S, and we'll call it equation number 1. Also, let what? The log of b to base m be represented with what? Y, and we call this equation what? Number what? 2. Now, going by the definition of what? Logarithm, we can reinterpret equation 1 and of course equation 2 in index what form. The definition of logarithm says that the logarithm of what? A number, say a to base what? M, is defined as a power, exponent, or index to which what? The base, say m, must be raised in order to obtain the what? The factor known as what? In order to obtain what? The number, which in this case is what? A. Dwelling with this what? Understanding, we can therefore proceed to reinterpret equation 1 and 2. Doing that, we have equation 1 could be interpreted by saying from equation what? 1. Let's say from equation what? 1, we have what? The log of what? A to base m is equals to what? X. Therefore, I say m raised by s is equals to what? A. This is called equation number what? 3. Also, similarly, from equation 2, we have the log of b. We have what? The log of b to base m to be equals to what? Y. Reinterpreting it, we have what? M raised by what? Y is equals to what? B. I call it equation what? Number 4. Now, after this, the next line of action is to see to what? Multiplying equation what? 3 with what? Equation what? 4. Let us proceed forth to multiply equation number what? 3 and what? 4. When we do that, we say, okay, multiply equation what? 3 and 4. Multiply equation what? 3 and what? 4. When we do that, we're going to be obtaining something of this form. That is, A times what? B is equals to what? M raised by X times what? M raised to power what? Y. Which could be written also as what? AB is equals to what? M raised by X plus what? Y. Going by one of the laws of what? Logarithm, which I just concluded what? The series. The derivation of the laws of logarithm part 1 down to what? Part what? 7. If you've not gone through it, please go to my page and endeavor you would ingest and digest the various what? Derivation of what? The laws of what? Logarithm is going to influence your performance and of course your understanding of what? The laws of what? Logarithm. Now, reinterpreting this, like I said before, we're going to have AB is equals to M raised by X plus what? Y. Now, going also again by the definition of what? The logarithm that I gave before, that what? The log of what? A number to a particular base is defined as the power to which the base must be raised in order to obtain what? The number. Dwelling with this understanding, this therefore be interpreted as the log of what? A, B, the product of what? 2 factors to base what? M must produce the exponent, which is X plus what? Y. I call this equation number what? 5. If I'm not mistaken, equation number what? 5. If this is true, we now have to reflect back to what? Equation 1 and equation 2, which could what? Give us the interpretation of X and what? Y. In other words, what is X and Y standing for? Go back to equation 1 and equation 2, you discover that what? S is used to represent the log of A to base M, and of course, Y is used to represent the log of what? B to base M. Now, substituting equation 1 and equation 2 into equation 5, we arrive at what? The log of what? AB to base M is equals to what? The log of A to base M plus what? The log of what? B to base M. And this is the derivation of what the first law of logarithm, because it corresponds what this is what the derivation, like I said, of the first law of logarithm. It what originated. Please do not hesitate to like, share, comment, and of course we look forward to what the derivation of what the second law of what logarithm in our part 2 edition. Love you.